Now, accounting principles is of the different areas. One is accounting, under the accounting principles, accounting concepts, you can say accounting assumptions, accounting concepts or accounting assumptions, and another side is accounting principles. Now, accounting concept or assumption is what? It is the foundation for accounting process. Accounting assumption or concepts are the foundation for accounting process. No accountant will ignore these basic concepts when they are going to prepare the financial statement or process of accounting. They are doing the process of accounting, they have to follow these basic concepts. So, number one, foundation for accounting process. Second one is accounting concepts provided guidelines that how transactions should be recorded and reported. It provides a guideline. Accounting concept provides a guideline or guide how transactions should be recorded. This concept guide or provide a guideline how transactions should be recorded and reported to the user. There are the three concepts. There are the three accounting concepts. Number one is going concern concept, going concern. Number second is consistency. Fourth one is accrual concept. So, going concern concept, consistency concept and accrual concept. Now come to the accounting principles. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 accounting principles. These are business entity principles, business entity, money measurement, accounting period principles, principle of full disclosure, principle of materiality, principle of conservatism, which is also known as principle of prudence, historical cost principle, matching principles and dual aspect principles. These are the 9 principles and these are the 3 accounting concepts, and these accounting concepts provide the base. It provides the foundation for accounting process. Means before doing any treatment or any posting or preparing financial statement, these 3 things must be followed strictly because these are the foundation for the accounting process, and these concept guide how the transaction should be recorded and how it will be reported to the user, in what manner the accounting information will be reported to users. So, guide how transactions should be recorded and how it is reported. So, there are the 3 concepts: going concern, consistency and accrual. And accounting principles are business entity, money measurement, accounting period, principle of full disclosure, principle of materiality, principle of conservatism, means principle of prudence is also known as historical cost principle. It is also called cost principle or historical cost principle, matching principle, dual aspect principles. We will discuss this concept and principle one by one. Okay, so we will start with the going concern concept first. Going concern. So we start with the concept. There are the 3 concepts or assumptions. Concept and assumptions are same. So what is concept? It is a foundation for the accounting process. It is a foundation for the accounting process, and thereafter we will start our accounting. And it guides how transactions should be recorded and reported. Okay. So we'll start with the first one, going concern concept.